Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create a unique shape by using a SolidWorks 2026 and we are going to use surfaces. So let's get started. Select the front plane and make two construction geometry. One is vertical and horizontal and use spline as you can see on my screen. The vertical dimension will be 365.5 mm and horizontal as you can see 10.78 or whatever you want to do, you can make it. Now adjust the handle according to the shape as you can see on my screen. Guys, if you like this video, please subscribe and follow me. Now the distance between spline dot point to the origin point 95.35 and the angle will be 122 degree. I have made a mistake, so you can correct it later. And the handle length will be 404.75. Okay, upper handle length will be 718 mm and the angle between handle and this construction will be 4 degree. Now revolve it by using a surface command. Select front plane. We are going to split this body. Make it a horizontal line. From this line to that line, the distance is 143.75 mm. Now we are going to use split these two bodies. So go to the insert, select features and split. We are going to trim tools will be sketch 2 as you can see and cut it from both and make sure uncheck consume part. So we have created two bodies. These two surface bodies are in not in merged position right now. If you have merged, so you can unmerge it. Again select a front plane, use spline. Diagonally you have to draw a line, then stretch the handle. Select construction geometry, center line, and the handle length will be 350 mm and bottom handle length will be 250 mm. The distance between bottom point to the origin 52.85 mm. Make it vertical. Also this handle also vertical align. Now our geometry is not fully defined, so we are going to dimension it 28.6 mm. Now our sketch is fully defined. In the next step, we are going to use surface shift. You choose circular profile and select 3 mm. Select bottom surface. As you can see on my screen, select this portion and make it 3 mm. Okay. In the next step, we are going to use split line. Select this face and this spline. So split it by using a spline. as you can see on my screen. Okay, in the next step we are going to use surface swap. Select this split line and the circular profile will be 3 mm, as you can see on my screen, and hit the green check and hide it by using a tab key. Select this surface and hide it. This is a shortcut key. If you use tab key, the part will be hide it. Now we are going to use front plane and right plane for making the axis. So we can circulate this swept surface. Select circular pattern. Direction will be the axis 1 and the body will be this spline surface, and the total value count will be 15 and equal spacing. As you can see, our geometry is completely defined and well. So we are going to use a thicken feature, surface thicken, and choose 3 mm. It is not well, so we are going to use, we are checking first point, second and third. I am not satisfied with this, so I am going to use 1.5 mm. If you use 1.5 mm from both sides, it looks better. Yeah, perfect. Or if you want to use 4 mm or 2 mm, it also fine. Now our part is completed. So we are going to use a fillet command. Select this face and the fillet is 1 mm. Select isometric view. We are going to change, select metal and wrought iron and hit the green check. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, if you learned these things, please make sure subscribe and like and comment it what type of tutorial you want to see. Bye bye.